Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to organize your dashboard in UPBASE, the 2025 edition. First off, log into your UPBASE account and navigate to your dashboard. Here's where all the magic happens. Your projects, tasks, and deadlines all live here. It's important to keep it well organized to enhance productivity. Now that we're on the dashboard, let's start by customizing our workspace. Click on the Customize button at the top right of the screen. This will open up a plethora of options for you to personalize your dashboard. The reason we do this is to tailor the dashboard to our specific needs, making it easier to navigate and manage tasks. After customizing, let's move on to grouping tasks. Find the Group Tasks option and select a grouping preference. You could choose to group tasks by project, due date, or team member. Grouping tasks simplifies task tracking and makes it easier to identify what needs your immediate attention. Next up, let's color code our tasks. Click on a task, select Edit, and then choose a color. Color coding tasks can add an additional layer of organization, making it visually easier to distinguish between different types of tasks. The final step is to use filters. Just above your task list, you'll see the Filter button. Here, you can filter tasks based on project, status, or assignee. This helps us because it lets you quickly narrow down your view to specific tasks, saving you time scrolling through your entire task list. Now let's take a pause. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. By organizing your dashboard, you're streamlining your workflow, enhancing productivity, and reducing the chances of missing important tasks. In conclusion, organizing your UPBASE dashboard is all about customizing your workspace, grouping and color-coding tasks, and using filters effectively. By doing this, you're creating a more efficient and personalized work environment. And that's it for today's tutorial. Remember, a well-organized dashboard is a game changer. Stay organized, stay productive. Thanks for watching.